Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Popsicle Wrappers is probably one of the most underrated kitchen essentials, but trust me, they're a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of these clear, convenient wrappers, exploring why they're a must-have for anyone who loves a good frozen treat. We'll cover everything from their practical uses to the different types available, ensuring you're well-equipped to make the perfect choice for your needs. Number 5. Disposable ice popsicle mold bags with funnel. Are you concerned about your kids' snacking habits? These disposable popsicle bags are the solution. You can prepare delicious and healthy snacks for your children. They will love it. If you're always on the move, these freezer tube bags will save you time and energy. Simply prepare your smoothies, fill the bags, and store them. It's easy to enjoy a snack on the spot. These disposable mold bags are made with your safety in mind. They are BPA and phthalates-free, non-toxic, and comply with safety regulations. You and your kids can enjoy them without worry. These popsicle bags have zip seals for your convenience. Forget about spills and sticky messes. You can enjoy homemade snack popsicles wherever you go. Just freeze them flat and enjoy. Your satisfaction is our priority, so we offer this product with confidence. It comes with a funnel for easy pouring. Make yogurt sticks, fruit pops, and more. What we like? This product prioritizes your health and safety with its BPA-free design. It's also incredibly convenient for on-the-go snacking. If you're always busy and want to make healthy treats for your kids, this is a great choice. It comes with a funnel, making the filling process a breeze. What people say? These were sealed without the extra plastic flaps, and I figured they would be gentler on the lips, and they were. These bags are incredibly easy to use and did their job perfectly. The BPA-free material gives me peace of mind, and the zip seals make them easy to fill and store without leaks. The included funnel is super handy and helps avoid messes. These molds are great for yogurt sticks, juice, smoothies, and ice candy pops. Number 4. Ice Popsicles bags for candy food grade packing. These bags are made of high-quality, environmentally friendly plastic. They are perfect for keeping your popsicles fresh and delicious. It's a great choice for your treats. You can easily seal these bags using a hot sealing machine or twist ties. It's designed for convenience, ensuring your treats stay fresh. You can even open it like the way we display. The bags feature jagged edges on both sides, making them easy to open. This thoughtful design allows you to quickly enjoy your frozen treats. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. These bags are ideal for storing freeze popsicles, candy, and cookies. They help keep your food fresh for longer and maintain a clean fridge. It's a versatile solution for various treats. These bags are designed to keep your food and treats fresh for longer. They are a great way to store your treats, whether it's summer or winter. It's a must-have for any treat lover. What we like? These wrappers are made of high-quality plastic, ensuring durability. You can easily seal them with various methods. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to store and enjoy your homemade popsicles, this product is perfect for you. It keeps your treats fresh and your freezer clean. What people say? Work perfect for our needs, just wish they were less expensive. Good quality thick bags. The bags fit the popsicles, came quickly. Perfect for popsicles. Love the material and quantity for the amount. Number 3. Bling Cake Pop Sticks, sparkle for any occasion. These cake pop sticks are made of food-grade paper, ensuring safety for everyone. The paper is rolled for smoothness and high hardness, and it's also biodegradable, making them an eco-friendly choice. Each stick is 6 inches long and wrapped in a diamond mesh, giving the illusion of real rhinestones. They add a beautiful sparkle to your treats without any actual loose rhinestones. These sticks are ideal for cake pops, chocolates, hard candies, and more. They securely hold your treats, making them perfect for chocolate fountains and fondue pots. Each stick is about 6 inches long, with the bling part measuring about 4.5 inches. The diamond mesh wrap reflects light, creating a dazzling effect. Add some sparkle to your treats for weddings, showers, birthdays, or any special event. These sticks will make your creation stand out and impress your guests. What we like? These sticks add a touch of sparkle to your creations. They are perfect for cake, pops, lollipops, and other treats. If you like to add a little extra flair to your desserts for special occasions, consider these. They will make your treat stand out. What people say. So simple to use. They don't slide off. Very cute and easy to use. Perfect to glam up some cake pops or custom chocolate pops. Great for cake pops. Easy to use and sturdy. Number 2. Patelai Ice Lolly Sticks and Bag Set. This set includes 300 pieces of ice lolly sticks and bags. It's perfect for making your own frozen treats with family and friends. Get ready for a cool and fun summer. The bags and sticks are made of plastic and wood, ensuring they are safe and durable. The bags are designed to protect your ice lollies and prevent any leakage. You can confidently create your own delicious treats. The bags measure 8.27 by 3.15 inches, and the sticks are 4.49 inches long. They are lightweight and the ideal size for your DIY ice lollies. It's easy to handle and use. This set isn't just for ice lollies. You can also make yogurt, chocolate, ice cream, and more. The bags are great for storing snacks, jewelry, or cosmetics. It's a versatile item for various needs. Beat the summer heat by making refreshing ice lollies. Share them with your loved ones and create lasting summer memories. It's a simple way to bring joy and coolness to everyone. What we like. This set provides everything you need to make your own ice lollies. The bags and sticks are made of safe materials. If you are looking for a fun summer activity with family and friends, this set is ideal. It's perfect for creating a variety of frozen treats. What people say. They are the perfect size for the popsicles I make. These are great for my homemade popsicles. They are easy to use and seal well. Number 1. Boao Ice Cream Sticks and Bag Set. This set includes 100 ice cream bags and 100 wooden sticks. It's perfect for making your own ice pops and sharing them with friends and family. The bags are made of safe plastic, and the sticks are made of wood. They are non-toxic and tasteless, so you can use them with confidence. The sticks are about 4.49 inches long, and the bags are about 8.27 by 3.15 inches. They are lightweight and the perfect size for your homemade treats. Enjoy making different flavors and shapes of ice cream. You can also make yogurt sticks, fruit pops, and other fun treats. It's a wonderful gift for friends and family during the summer. They'll be surprised and love it, adding fun to their day. What we like. This set includes both bags and sticks, making it easy to get started. The materials are safe and non-toxic. If you want a simple and fun way to make ice cream at home, this is a great option. It's perfect for enjoying a cool treat on a hot day. What people say. They are the perfect size for the popsicles I make. They are easy to use and seal well. These are great for my homemade popsicles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.